Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Personalizations. Then select Font and Display Size and click on one of those font styles. You can check out Preview above. Then, to save a new one, hit Apply at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!